Do you like Mounds Bars? I do, so I made a Mounds cake. It starts with a moist and rich chocolate cake that gets covered with a sticky coconut mixture. Then a dark chocolate ganache is poured on top. I'm trying to think of other things to say to convince you to make this cake, but you'll just have to take my word that it's really, really good. First, mix your dry ingredients: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon baking powder, and a teaspoon baking soda. Whisk well and set aside. To a large bowl, add 1 cup of sugar. Add a half cup of oil, and whisk well. Then add 1 egg, and mix to incorporate. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Then sift in a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and mix. Now add half of the dry ingredients and mix gently to incorporate. Add a half cup of buttermilk and mix until combined. Then add in the next half of the dry ingredients and mix until almost combined. Add a half cup of hot water and mix vigorously for about 20 seconds or until smooth. The batter will be thin. Quickly pour the batter into a greased and floured 8-inch pan. Tap to knock out air bubbles and bake at 350 degrees for about a half an hour or until a toothpick comes out with fudgy crumbs. Cool completely. To make the coconut topping, combine a can of sweetened condensed milk with a bag of sweetened shredded coconut. Mix till all of the coconut is covered in the sweetened condensed milk. Spread the coconut topping on top of the cake evenly. Make the ganache by heating a half cup of heavy cream till simmering. Add a cup of chocolate chips and mix until the chips are melted. Immediately pour on cake and spread. Refrigerate till set. Slice and serve. Enjoy.